everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this holiday look, and it kind of consists of some matte red lips and shimmery light purple eyeshadow. So I like this look a lot. I think it's a little bit different than a lot of people's looks. I know you can't really see the purple eyeshadow right now, but yeah, I think it's a little bit different because I don't see purple a lot for the holidays. I usually see gold or greens, and I just like the way this turned out. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start out this look by priming my eyes with a little bit of Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my ring finger and pat that on my lid and all the way up to my brow bone. I'm going to take my Urban Decay 15th Anniversary palette and go into the shade Midnight 15 with this flat shader brush. And it does have a little bit of sparkle, so you might have to clean up the fallout, but I'm just going to pat this all on the inner half of my lid. And then just bring it down to the tear duct area. Flipping my brush over, I'm going to go into the shade Omen, which is a little bit of a brighter medium purple, and I'm just going to take that, like I said, on the other side of my brush and pat this on the outer corner of my lid and crease. So the eyes aren't really that complicated at all. And we are going to be blending this out, but I'm probably going to skip that on camera. Or I'm not going to do that on camera. Next, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of sparkle to the look. So I'm taking my Bare Minerals eyeshadow in Nude Beach, and this is just a really gorgeous color. It looks like that, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that, tap it into the lid on a really flat, stiff brush like this, and I'm just going to pat that on the center of my lid. And it doesn't show up on camera very well for some reason. But you can definitely see it in real life, and it's just really pretty and festive. So this is what the eyeshadow should look like so far. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply a little bit of my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. But that is it. You can add a little bit of eyeliner if you want, but I'm just going to use mascara, and then I will move on to the cheeks and the lips. For your lips, you're going to want to start out by lining your lips, and I'm going to be actually using a nude lip pencil, but it's just because I don't have a red one, but nude does work for red. And this is my Smashbox Nude Lip Pencil in Light, and they actually have 4 different shades of this. They have a fair, light, medium, and dark. So I'm just going to line my lips with this, well, fill them in basically, and then I will apply my lipstick. Now for lipstick, I'm going to be using my NARS Jungle Red lipstick, and it just looks like this, and it's perfect for this look. So I'm just going to apply that straight from the tube to my lips. So for the cheeks, I just wanted to go with something pretty light so it doesn't distract from the lips or the eyes. So I'm just going to be using my Benefit Boxed Powder in Sugar Bomb, and this is actually one of my favorite blushes of all time. It's actually probably my favorite blush, and I just thought it went really well with this look. It's not overly pigmented or anything, and it just adds a nice glow to the skin. So I already have a little bit of this on, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more to my cheeks and kind of blend it up to the temples. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below, and I guess I will see you all later. I hope I can have at least one more video up before Christmas, but if not, have a great Christmas or holiday season. And yeah, that's it. Follow me on Twitter, but down below I'll put the link there, and if you just want to look it up, it's twitter.com/makeupbymissO. And yeah, I guess that's all I'm going to say, and I will see you all next time. Bye!